Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, and good evening, friends. My name is Shoaibullah Khan. I'm your host. Welcome to my channel, AK Universe. You can find different kind of videos on YouTube. On my channel, you will find videos from different categories like product reviews, food logs, and car reviews, and many other videos from different categories. If you would like to watch the videos from my channel, I request you to please support us and click on the subscribe button. And also, do not forget to click on the notification bell, because whenever a video is uploaded on YouTube, if you have selected or clicked on the notification bell, you will be notified when the video is uploaded on YouTube. This is my first unboxing. This is a Boya M1 product. BY M1 is the model number, and this is a Lavalier microphone. This product is very good, and most of the people I have checked online, I see that they have given a good feedback for this, because this product is sold on Amazon. I thought, let me go ahead and purchase this product, and since I have purchased this product, this is my first video on YouTube. Let me quickly start with the unboxing of this product. Firstly, this product has the image, as you can see, and it has the model number mentioned on the side. On the back side of the box, you will find the features and specification of the product. Let me quickly open it up. I see there is a note. This is a universal lavalier microphone instruction manual, as you can see. This instruction manual is of 14 pages, and it has all the information for you to set up the microphone. Let us keep this aside for now. There's another paper inside. This is, I believe, the warranty card, as you can see. This comes with a standard warranty of 1 year. So keep this safely with you. Whenever you are purchasing any product, please make sure that you keep the warranty card and your invoice safely, because whenever you have any issues with the product, you can claim your warranty. Here's a very good packaging of the product. Here's a very good pouch. It looks like leather. It has a good feel, as you can see. And this is, let me quickly open it up for you. This is a 3.5 mm connector here. Can you see this? I'm going to open the microphone. This is how it looked like. Here it is. I'm opening it up for you. I have actually inserted the battery inside already. This battery is the LR44. This type of the battery is LR44. In this Boya microphone, you will find a small button over here. This button has two options: camera off/smartphone. As mentioned on the box, this product can be used for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. So I will be using this for my future videos. It has a very long wire. It can be used from a far distance, of course, because normally you don't get such a lengthy wire, but this will be useful to take videos And this is something that I've already inserted. This is a sponge which comes in the package, and this is the microphone here, which wherein whenever you speak, this will take the audio, and you will hear the audio from through this. It gets recorded from here. This is a small clip which I have already clipped it on. You can actually remove this. Here it is. I've just removed it. In order to place it back, you simply need to press over here, and then you need to fix this sponge. This is a small sponge, and just insert it like this. This is very useful, and make sure this is always inserted on the top, and just plug it on like this. Please make sure that you keep the distance far whenever you are speaking, because I see that the audio clarity is much better when you keep it far from your mouth. Whenever you are talking and you want to get a better audio clarity, make sure it's a little far from you. Here it is. I think this should be a better place. Now this is the 3.5mm audio connector, and this can be connected either to your smartphone, or you can also connect it to your DSLR and the devices which has the 3.5mm jack. This is a quick review of this product. I hope you like this review, and let me quickly just walk through the features of this product. As I can see, it's a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders. As I mentioned earlier, it's omnidirectional, so which means you will get a very good audio clarity using this microphone. And it's a very well reviewed, and I have also personally checked it online, so many people have recommended this microphone, so I highly recommend you to go ahead with this microphone. I have not been sponsored for endorsing this product, just for your information. And I see that it also has a very good low handling noise, so it also does the noise cancellation. And it includes a label clip, as this is the label clip, the LR battery which I showed to you inside, which you need to insert and clip it on. I mean, just rotate this and it gets locked. Whenever you are recording the video, just based on your device which is being connected to this 3.5mm jack, whether it's a smartphone or a camcorder, simply connect this and turn on. If it is a camera, just press it towards the top. If in case it's a smartphone, just simply push it down. So, and then you can start the recording. Just see that not all cameras or smartphones have the mic audio option selected by default. Some of the smartphones have it by default, but otherwise, if you want the mic to be utilized, you may have to go with a third-party app like Open Camera, which I am using right now, and you will get an option to select the external mic in the video settings. So whenever you want to use on certain devices, you can download that app and go to the video settings and select the external mic option. So when it's connected and you want to talk, and every time you speak, your video and the audio clarity will be good, and it will be recorded through the external mic, not through your internal mic of your smartphone. And apart from this, few small things that you would like to understand about the product is the weight, which is about 2.5 grams. Please pardon me because I'm seeing this. I don't want to give any wrong information to you. I'm seeing this and trying to be more precise and give you the correct information. So this is all about the Lavalier microphone. It's a very good product. I strongly recommend you to go for this product as it is affordable, and I will leave the link in the description below. You can click on the link, it will redirect you to Amazon. You can buy the product from Amazon. And just a small update. Amazon is going through a freedom sale, I believe, which is commencing from today, which is already started, I think, from 8th to 11th of August. So that's the freedom sale, and I believe you may be getting a lot of offers. So this is a good time to buy this product. Although I haven't used it, but I will go with a review of using this product on the next video of YouTube, and I will let you know personally after experiencing the product how good and how well this works. Subscribe my channel, and I will try posting better videos, and in the following upcoming videos you can expect a lot of good videos. If there is any feedback, you can leave the feedback in the comments below, and I will work on it, and I will try to make my videos even better. Thank you, and looking forward to meet once again on my next video. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.